Oh, 6 seconds! Let's go!
I'm running. I cannot scale this tree.
Players in
I can scale every single tree except this tree.
But
Get him run, bro.
Either way,
Let's get him run.
Yeah.
challenge me to do
Wait,
something.
would I look like a YouTuber like this?
I hit my bed.
Oh, okay, I
hit
know.
my bed.
You sail up to slippery walls.
Oh, easy.
Wait, you guys want me to
We don't
scale?
do it.
Wait, you guys want me to
Over there.
scale?
Oh,
I could probably do
watch
it
me
in
do
5
a slip
seconds.
slide. He's
Monkey see, monkey
Okay.
do.
Only tag you if you have slip up. Slip slap.
Can you do my run?
Slip slap.
Wait, where's this guy? Where's this guy? Wait, Jeep, come here, Jeep, come here.
Wait, headphones.
Can you do this?
Headphones.
Can you do this? I made this up. I
These
did this
headphones.
myself.
Ski mask. Ski mask.
Ah!
Can you do this? Can you do this run? Can you do this weird goofy run? Do it.
Nah, you guys can't do this though. You guys can't do this. No, you gotta do the flip.
What the fuck?
Oh, I can do that, Barry.
Best branch, 60 hertz branch.
Oh,
Can I love you, someone?
Me. Who wanted to see my vertical?
Get tagged.
Who wanted to see me vert?
Oh, baby, it's triple.
Was it you? Hey,
Oh, hit my head.
it's
Oh,
was
baby.
it you wanted to see my... Aw,
Did you just say my name?
you wanted to see my vert?
Yeah.
Oh shit. No,
This
you
is
don't
Lucio.
have-
This is Lo.
Oh, shit.
Whopper, whopper, triple.
Come here, purple.
Fine, I'm trying to vert. I will vert. I
Come here,
got
blue.
this.
Colorblind, sorry.
Never mind.
I just got on. Chill. It didn't work.
I vertical.
It didn't work. Let me just raise you up.
I almost slipped up over the bridge. I almost slipped up
Wait,
over the
you.
bridge.
Can I raise you up?
What time is it?
Yeah, boy. Are you? So when you open you.
Sorry.
Yo,
I
are
have
you
to-
tutorial? Because I want to come
Uh-oh.
inside you.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
Nah, I'm gonna get the hell out of here.
Hey, yo.
I think I'm good. Chase you. I think I'm
Yeah,
good.
exactly. Get out of here.
Let me just wipe my screen. I decided not to one
Guess
kid.
how
That's
many
what I done, and then he
subscribers I
cried.
have? Whopper, whopper,
He's gonna start. He's gonna start.
I'm 125.
Watch me,
no.
wait, unicorn face.
Okay, good.
Wait,
Watch this. He's gonna start going. He's gonna go.
Try to be my Lucio.
Ready?
I have to get it right, so...
Yeah, no, I can do that.
It's really hard. It took me a while to get
Hello.
Hello.
Don't bust her.
Ski mask. What's
I like
your
doing
name?
this.
Like,
Deep on
what's
YouTube.
your video name?
I tagged you.
Is that real?
Deep on YouTube.
You should follow me back, bro.
How many subscribers do I have?
You do.
Search up my name. Search up. Come on. You just don't.
Oh my gosh, so
Come on. Blue monkey. Come out.
What the?
Yo, search
Yeah.
up.
Oh my god. Did you see that?
Waka waka waka
Watch
waka.
me.
Damn! Damn, really got you when I was playing my game.
Bro, why are you
What the hell was that?
Stop ruining my walk, boy.
Why did you sneak up on me?
Stop ruining my walk, boy.
Oh, I actually made that. No way.
Ruin it.
I like
I'll hit
your
the gritty up the wall.
spin purple.
I'll hit the gritty up the
I
wall.
actually like it a lot.
Stop
I'm coming to
it.
chase you deep. I'm gonna hit
I
the
just
gritty up
want
the
to
wall.
walk. Oh, dang.
See ya.
I'm literally doing
Barely. Barely even got tagged, bro.
Wait. I know who you are.
Bro, chill.
Purple. Your identity isn't safe anymore.
You got purple.
Scammer.
Purple, you. Aww.
Bro,
Deep.
You wanna see something?
Deep.
You
hide
hide this
this
game
game
second.
Deep.
You hide this game.
Yo, can I tell you
I
something?
believe it.
Can I?
Monkey!
Deep.
You're all the way
You
over there.
have 3.51k subs.
You wanted to say that out loud. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna hit agree. I'm gonna hit agree. I'm gonna hit agree. Wait,
Bro, chill. No, I'm recording you.
Lollipotty hat. Lollipotty hat. Lollipotty hat.
I beat the
Lollipotty hat. Lollipotty hat. Lollipotty hat. Now you really got you. I'm really juking both of
Extreme
you.
looking. No one's beating us, man.
Oh, baby, it's triple.
You stabbed
You suck. I tagged you.
Please don't say you just tagged me and trying to rub it in my face when you spend 20 minutes trying to get tagged. Whoa!
You all dicky. You're all dicky. You're all dicky.
This is worth way more than a
Is he okay?
Geep,
food death.
I got the best Riz. I got the best gorilla tag Riz.
No.
Come here, son.
Oh, just too late.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I got the Riz. I can rinse you up. I got that.
Can I show you guys my? Can I show you guys how many cosmetics
Let
I
me
have?
tell you something. Let me tell you
Just
something.
show me your cosmetics.
Look how
me
stacked
tell
I
you
am, bro.
Don't leave. Don't leave.
Stacked.
Hello, darkness.
Imagine he pulls out like the stick or something.
Don't leave. Don't.
Stack me to these hats, bro. with
I'm
the
gonna make it.
bunnies, earmuffs, and Santa hat.
We
That is
can be
big, bro.
brothers. We can
Except
be brothers
face,
right
snow
now.
goggles,
Can you touch me?
beard.
What the hell? Hey, Geep.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Geep. Geep, let me
Could
tell
I
you
be a
something.
fake tackle?
Geep.
Let me tell you.
Are you tutorial? Because I want to come inside you.
What the? Nah, no.
Deep's probably like double your age, bro. Can't be saying that.
What'd you say?
I said you're probably double his age. You can't be saying that.
How old do you think I am?
Hey, I got a
18.
raise. I got a
No, I'm
raise.
not 16.
Wait.
18.
Ski mask.
18.
Ski mask.
18. Geep.
I got a
buddy.
raise thing for you. I got a raise thing.
Are you
No.
tutorial? You're 18. Because we're
After
just getting
Riz.
started.
After is.
Hey, Geep. Geep.
I subscribe to you.
Demos, are we
Thank
are
you.
we tutorial? Because we're just getting started. Hey,
Probably
are you
murder.
tutorial? Because I'm coming inside you.
Your generation is weird. I don't understand it.
Wait.
I have a child
Come
with
tag
a
me.
on my face.
Come tag me.
Come here, Red. Oh, I'll gladly come
Yo, can I
behind
make
your
a video
ass.
right now?
Yes, please. Yes. Oh, fuck.
Hey, who's better, Cracker or J-Man Curly?
Cracker.
Cracker.
Are you good?
He doesn't even use his
I don't know,
arms,
bro.
bro.
Here's the thing. I do
Jamie,
YouTube, but
Cracker.
no one
Oh,
really
I can walk up
Why
a
was-
tree.
Why
I
did
do.
Cracker even leave the J-Man Curly verse?
I don't really put videos
The J-Man
on my
verse.
Wait, you were live. I was in your live stream.
Yes! Good job, Legacy.
Wait. Who's the YouTuber? Can I? Because I'm not a YouTuber.
Me. I was in your live stream. I was in your live stream.
Wait, are you live streaming?
No, not right now,
I'm
but
live
I
right
do
now.
live streams, and I'm pretty famous with it because we have 300 people joined.
He has 3.5k, 3.50k, or 50k or something.
To not lie about. I must get the other YouTuber.
Say it's fucking nice. I'm putting my fucking straps on. Thank you, man.
Talking about me because I'm a YouTuber.
I'm so bad at. Are you tutorial? Because I'm just getting started with you.
Ayo, mine's Houston
I'm a
VR.
TikToker.
Mine's Houston VR.
Good job.
I'm not streaming. I don't stream in public because of the swearing. I don't get money.
I stream in pubs and privates. Wait,
What the fuck? Did you just?
I don't stream at all.
did I?
If you want to make
What,
I just started streaming today, so I'm like,
What? No, he froze. Where'd you go?
He's here.
Right, do you want to be in the
Miss-
YouTube video?
do you have like
Fuck, I'm so
McDonald's or
thirsty,
something?
bro.
Not to be rude.
I'm fucking almost loose here. That's
He's
your
mine.
fucking butt.
Frank keeps freezing on my screen. Come here, Whopper.
He's got some McDonald's internet.
He's actually got good internet, it's just me.
He has some McDonald's tonet.
Come
Use
on.
your leg.
Hey, cowboy hat.
Use your
Come
leg.
here.
I need your help.
Who's a TikToker?
What?
I need your